Away. Like girlfriend.
Mina girlfriend.
Wow. Ukuzibiza lakhe.
Enhle futhi.
Ukuzibiza lakhe.
Wena wazibiza lakhe la ndikathi. Girlfriend ikhona but ibiza yazi.
All right. E1.
Kahle E1.
Hayi Whether a football player we dance.
Hayi mina ngiyibhola.
Yeah?
Football player ngiyidance.
Singafika stage ne.
Ngisinga. Ngiya-actor.
Hayi. Lolo ngama stance kodwa kazi. Ukuphela ibruke la. Alukhe ku-actor ka. Sika une confidence phakathi. Ndinyanga yathi hayi umuntu
confidence ihlala ikhona. Ngaze la.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, welcome to the exciting show once again. My name is Dimitri Daimana. Yabo. Today it's so exciting and very exciting. It's so exciting enough. Junior, late. Spapa Makuniki.
Yes, I. J8.
Hello guys, my name is Junior Makuniki, aka President Oma 2K.
President Oma 2000. President Oma 2000. Yasikade ufuna utsho ukuthi Thobani umchita wendazula President Oma 2K.
Scott Mapum.
Hayi, odlala ibhola.
Mofokeng.
Junior President Oma 2000 nje. Junior trainer nje.
Yeah.
Awubona uplay kuthiwa incase dressing room. Kuyabuhamba njani nje yaphuma. Imvika so dressing room yakita. Ngose training lakho yakita.
Ngise toilet yakita. Ngiphume endlini yakita.
So ngithanda irumba.
Irumba vele yami. Sawubona umkhokho selechero.
Yes. Patati.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's so exciting, Slow Makunike, so baba, growing up in Makokoba as a young boy, Makokoba Mzilaz, Makokoba Mzilaz. Like Zangachi, can you spark or rate? Can you spark or rate? I'm following Makokoba, Makoko. Tell us about yourself, man.
Yeah, guys, my name is Junior Makunike. I'm 21 years old.
Only 21.
We are lad.
Let's look at 21.
We're 21, but I'm
only IT. Only 21. All right, sorry.
The passport will be.
Tell us more.
Nakhulele emzilikazi ku-G30 ngakhulela khona ngatshona emzilikazi dlala ibhola emzilikazi and then Makokoba at the same time yikho ngambuya khona ngizodlala ibhola yikho kulabangani bami mo so yikho ngitshona ngapha mo yabo but mina ngomzilikazi 24/7.
So ama-juniors aqasa ukudlala ibhola nini like from your career?
6 years.
Udlalelani?
7 umzilikazi FC.
From 2010.
Nearly 21 guys.
15
years ago.
15 years ago.
In 2004. Hi.
I like that.
Hi, mate.
Go on, 6 years. What the for 6 years? So on grade 1.
Yeah, number 2005.
No, got 4.
In 2004. And 6 years in 2010. We had started the World Cup.
Alright.
This is a celebrate that we're waiting to each other.
So no one is for you. I
mean, nothing cool. I don't think I'm over here. I mean, something
there's one thing I'm also fascinated about. I'm a players. Each year's number junior educator njani?
Kuwo ngina bufuketa.
Angithi kukuwe nangu singibhalile nanka ama jazz nanku Junior Makunike ufuku number ba.
Mina ngithanda number 18.
Why?
That's when I started playing professional football when I was 18 years. So from Kwapana ngazama ngona number 18. So now 18 ngeke go 8. But that thing uthi kulo 8.
It's
Yabo.
it's
I've always thought ukuthi 8 number yakho.
18 yi number yakho.
so about J8 mina ngizibuza ukuthi kanti manje
Lesitayile manje ukuthi J8.
not J18 yabonga nungozi
J18.
mina ngifika ngani kule style J18 nganungozi junior ngozi
Okunye manje ubone wethu phela noma shoot akude go number
18 baba not Kubulawa like one of the best midfielders eZimbabwe like
mo 18.
abawuthatha ngungozi
Hayi wangitshela la.
ngayimtala
Wangitshela la.
Okokocha.
Nayo azengocha.
junior who is your favorite player in the world
My favorite player in the world like Mpo.
Siyawina
Namuhla.
Siyawina
2-0.
Check Pogba is the best player
Emhlabeni wonke ever.
look akubazi abantu batshele njani
Ever wa create ama player
ukhulumela po nje yazi ukuthi ukhulumile nje
Anje ambona i-character yakhe even naye. Umuntu ohlala ufike
nje uPogba uyakwazi uPogba uyakwazi uPogba uyakwazi like ngabe uyakwazi sezizwa njalo icrick
Awukho uzabasazi. Mele besazi.
kumele besazi ajune at least yasazi
ngcono.
uPogba weZimbabwe at least useduza nokuthi siyaziwe uPogba yeah maybe I've seen you from ngiyakwazi like from my juniors growing up ngiyanya mfuthi abantu at least bebekwazi ukuthi how does it feel so that the young ones can even then ukuthi usuka ku11 Street then siya what was team yakho yokuqala from our juniors from our juniors like professional yeah
Dynamos.
Wosuka nga
Anso Prince Edward.
njengo kama vile
Kama vile so
cheke wona jazz services la master che complicate izinto eziblind guys izinto eziblind tell me more about your journey from Prince Edward to Dynamos of course susazi shona wena venya wazi lishona bo baba would you tell me more like about the journey I think podcast lead it's all about inspiring young people
Yeah, that's true.
yeah kuze abanye abantwana abalalele befisa kuba njenge junior
Yeah, goodness.
tell us more about your journey from Prince Edward to Dimbare Street ule ngamini 18 years kanje
Yeah, that journey yayinzima but you know vele into ezinzima but it's up to you ukuthi usebenze. I was at Prince Edward. I took a scholarship at Prince Edward
yeah
when I was playing in the primary grade 7. Then Prince Edward yangibiza.
ufunda ngapho grade 7 inzile kahle
Angifundele uBhengule.
akuyichinga yaza ama
Ngathi lo Bhengule blind nje. Lo Bhengule lo mangathi lo junior makunike lo la itsoko Bulawayo.
Eh.
ngotshela beloje phela ayacela society
Lo yi1 ophumeloji.
udayima kusuthini
Omunye mbali.
esifani futhi loje isikole siwanza sifunda amakhiwa so full stop sokuphelile
Serious.
Ufunda makhiwe lo.
full stop vele abaningi even lama viewers bazakutshela ama
So uthi wena ulikhiwa.
lothi mina yabona ukuthi ukudila lamakhiwa awuqasa ngemncane yabona ukuthi sesesikolo imagine grade 7 olikhiwa sumele umtshele ukuthi I want to pass njenjani lezi
Ufunda
zazizima
Mr. Smith.
nje ngathi safuna uthunjele izitolo zakho nje
Yeah, mina Prince Edward ngikho engaqasa khona that journey ukuthi hayi now I'm going phambili. Yabo. Wona to form 1 form 2.
benza njani like wazicabangela ekhandela ukuthi awu junior sisiya eDimbara kumbe ngoba ngongibani nje coach by then ndirai
By that time ngathi ngu form 4 all coach is coach at Prince Edward. At the same time coach Dynamos Division 2.
all right what was the guy so who was the guy
Coach Taringa.
all right
So ngiyambizayo ngahamba ku Division 2 and then I started playing there. And then because ngadlala
pick up to yourself Norman Taruga yeah when is this star who discover wenzayo vele ku blind
ngadlala first season laphana ku Division 2. And then that's when coach Dira recognized me. Wasn't busy to come and play with Dynamos.
Junior yazi ukuthi mina ngimthanda ama details like wakufonela
Hayi. Wabukela ama games. Wabukela igame wathano.
man to man ezwana sani ngincane team name.
Yeah, watch it coach. Was coach of Division 2. So I'm thinking about coach. Works for him to was option the first team that side. Okay.
So for the first time, how does it feel like? Sisi actually first. Usuke kuma juniors at Prince Edward under that was under 17.
Yeah. You know you be excited ukuthi dlala kukhonozimolile no trainer labo.
Yeah.
Pastor Njawuri.
Yeah.
So that thing la yakumotivate ngumfazi. No, abantu laba ngathi ngikhula vele. Abantu engambabukela phela.
So
But khathi trainer la.
that's kunjenge art lights. Sometimes yabona abanye abantu soku TV but kune soku space same time labo. Yeah, I think bona laba abantu babe ku space wona lesibeki bama legends to say.
Kwanisa ukulasta that.
For example, mina ukuthi legend ngiyibona ngise primary school but ngicine sengu production la. Ngicine senginominator la. I can feel it, bro.
Yeah, even feeling nalani yakumotivate wena.
Yeah.
Yabo. La at the same time bazabe ukuthi mfana keep pushing ya ule potential yalazi bora. So when
The confidence ending like
so to say mfana.
all right, Stella sepro ngiyakwazi ngikhuluma ukuthi wasithatha ngayo.
Yabona minister seprogram. Ngathi ngizase Prince Edward. Coach wethu Mr. Tawini.
Alright.
That's Virginia Escorts as for you taking.
It's okay then.
Yeah, that thing now even we should have was umuntu ngamrecha ukuthi akini. Avele udonse yaphu. So refa ukuthi hayi umuntu ade ukuthi akini avele.
Alright.
Wamdonse iskipa yaphu.
Alright. So let's say it's not sepora kahle kahle.
Yabo. At the same time la futhi yabona kwaka kungani inhlonipho phela ground ukuthi akini. Disciplining. Yeah. You can't discipline, but inside
It's given.
dangerous.
Sorry, ngoba off topic ite. Bruno Fernandes uthini ngaye?
Yeah, Bruno could play.
Ukuthi vele sungamrate kubo Pogba khona ngaye.
To me, official Pogba. Pogba mina ngirate vose Jebusca. Yiba abantaki.
Eish.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Center.
So I hope labo Pogba those are some big names. Huge midfielders ukuthi wena ucabanga ibhola lingakabuyi abese kwazi ukuthi ufuma kanje.
But so into engimangazayo la ngendlela othi uya idolize uPogba as a player ukuthi low blind. The way yodlala ngayo maybe the way abakudlalisa ngayo sibokudlalisa ngani more defensive but you seem like you have the ability ukuthi you can play up front or kumbeni ya wina interest yakho umuntu njengoPogba nje ula uyazibunja but mina phambili ngale yakwanza njalo
kunjalo abona nxa emishita you have to expect everything because wena khathesi ungabe ulapha waze kwanza uthola ibhola kwanza uzibona usegedini lapha yabo because mi engine yakho yabazisebenza yonke ndawo yabo kwanza uzibona usuyi-wing.
What's your favorite position?
Defensive midfield. Defensive midfield.
Like which one you attack more?
There.
Let me feel so.
Yafika phambili lo.
Yabo because ithi nxa midfield vele we-engine ethi so uyafika lapha vele ama space abanye abantu ongacabangeli into ongafika.
Unayathi uCasemiro.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Number 18.
Yabo. Because when wathi midfield angeke wachaye 1-2 1-2 uhambe phambili usufikile egetsini.
Love the spirit. That thing when you see ground you feel presence. Njengami. Ngithanda
So
ukubona.
sente faka ithinti kuphela.
Engafaka ithinti ehlebe ngodayiza.
Ngaphila.
Njengoba into efani ngayo indlela econfidence yakho expect ukuthi
Charlie style serious. So what's your style yakho impapa?
Yeah, for now this ngihamba yena le.
Nje mina new dayiza from Ekas. As I was impressed to go to the national team. angikwazi wena
yeah that's a motivation kakhulu lami ngajabula uzongathi uthi udlala sumele iZimbabwe ayimele iZimbabwe la kuthiwa ngathiwa amagamba elizwe
awuligamba lami ngiyakuvuma amagamba like yabona ukuthi sometimes
Sakudubulela umbhobho.
yeah 21 can salute
Ngawuzuchata. Ngawuzuchata.
mamele iZimbabwe yameneza
ngibe was 20 yeah
Lapha nje afkhona kumele bekufake nje.
kunjalo problem ukuthi ngagcina sendimala manje
walimela
yeah ngandimela so ikontina
but how does it feel kade ngikhuluma lo witho the other day ukuthi even lo lights la kade ngikhuluma even izolo ngisithi nje I think islimazo nje ukuthi sithatha ama players from London bese siwabisa la. Do you think those guys are really fighting for the spirits of Zimbabwe than junior ohlala eZimbabwe?
Hey, all the points to prove.
but yabona kunjalo vele Paul yabona it's not like phela nxa ezomela iZimbabwe kafuna yena ikumbona yabe buyi yabo
Thina singamafenzi nje sometimes
yikho
thina singamafenzi sabasibona ethe another perspective like ukuthi nje aje uchomlo 93 for example kade nje light Uchiwe is a very good player to me but ngiyabona ngihambisa eZimbabwe Chirewa Rasta that's yabona isithakathi bra yabona umntwana discover umjiterana pick up to himself ngumchina bra but then I think effort yakhe like personally from his heart chikula lokho uthi ngihlala eMakhokho leka ngangahlala eMakhokho kumbe kuthiwa umzali wami wayehlala eMakhokho
Intwana lezi zayizahlala eZimbabwe vele
angazi ukuthi wena ungifila njani nabela karesi umuntu ngavele eMakhokho lamaselet amanga
uyawuthakula
but yena ehlala eLondon ezothiwa umzali wakho ethi wayehlala eMakhokho athi eMakhokho lamaselet nje alam that's why ngihlala eLondon because abaleke crime rate eMakhokho but ngohlala khona leyo akwazi understand ukuthi okay so my point is how do you feel junior ngama players ay 9 by 8 by 10 wonke ahlala eEurope then just bala ama players ay 3 ahlala eZimbabwe for next night
it's football yabona mina ngingakutsho ukuthi la phela ukuthi uzobe khona ngifana kuli local you have to work hard
abantu abayi 3 nje so shibizile izolonke leli phela liprocess
maphela ukuthi ali produce yabo ikubona udlala
bazelo khona uadvantage yakho so ngabe kare swaza eLondon phela ngabe kare sidlala imatches
ibhola likambe mina
ingahlanya ngayo ku
yabo ikubona njani yena phela uthi ezibizwa nje team yakhe eperform
junior yazi ukuthi kare sengicabanga something foot light ukuthi asifuna ukuthengisa ama player wethu nje in that sense AFCON is a big yabona ukuthi AFCON is a big tournament haya nje bazabonakala njalo
when business minded ngabona noma ngazethengwe lokho engale
hayi kade uthengwa vele ucomfortable nje because already usemafutheni but for example right ngithi uPeter Mdongi isithakathi sethi iidolite
vala lokho
but uzabonakala njani nje because yabona ngamnika ispirit sokuthi kare sujunior ayedlalela i-national team ku-AFCON uyakwazi nje ngifuna ukudayisa bemboni uthi ancane phenduke ekasa
wena
athi ngibona ngani mina angisho ukuthi eEurope ngicaba ngeke bemrecognize that much but thina we value more because we know you like ama roots ethu like how junior simbone from under 14 sambone sayadlalela imzilikazi sambone siya kuDimbari sawa excited sambone siya kuSimba Bhora sambone siya ngaphi ngaphi official. That's my next question. Your journey through the football circle, then it feels like you own the shit like Zimbabwe nje angazi yikade ngikhuluma ngakho junior ukuthi wena karesi you can fight better even though coach ngaze sethulema bakwathi yabukwazi I mean I'm fighting for my ghetto where I live
ya vele wona ngawe local khona bona ubelana ukuthi la mina zinjawulisa abantu asekhaya ngoba nxa sadlala ibhola ukuthi asidlalele udala udlalela abantu abasekhaya yabo
si
ukuthi kusasa kwakuthiwa
Junior
makhulu makokoba masedinga ama player Junior makhulu emzilikazi
Yeah.
asemzilikazi sedinga
Labanye abablind njengayo.
yeah
njalo
ezokuthi lights inyaweni ezitorini ezinto of which I prefer locally njenge Sundowns strategy se South Africa I prefer
Abo
local
Spain.
yeah ngifuna ukwazi more about Junior like kade ngifuna ukuthi your cycle from Dynamos to another team
yeah na from Dynamos I played 2 seasons
right
yeah and then coach lapha Dynamos ngifikile first year hamba ku Simba
ngomba coach
2019
still okanje ndirai we Dynamos
yeah
Dynamos isaqeda khona imatch 34 minutes.
EPF.
Junior.
Emotel ground
yana wathatha coach wonke mabo
hayi
Lena was so second season.
waso
alayithi lokakwazi but kule DJ uJulia ithina iDynamos ethe Champions
Ethathi Chibuku.
wayesebhasina yeah hayi lokhala wonke umuntu akubona machance hayi
Pa.
angamvuka umshaya kodwa kwamaqinisi nje wengicaphula nje
Awuthi ihlabela ingoma yeboss.
kwahamba njani
I'm so excited
like ngoba le band kwathiwa le band kwathani
Akuthiwa ixolisi.
Maxolisa
akwazi phela ukuthembekile ekhasi phela
Ya, ngangilele khona
hayi lapha nami ngajabula
alaje ixolisa ale ixolisa lesi because there's yasekhuluma sekukhulumile abathwa ngicaphula kodwa
akathola
wathi uyathola bese yole ish Dimare nje ngithandi lokhani ukuthi ngifile ngale vele so alright sharp uvele Dimare and uzodlala igasi eBF and wonke umuntu ekwazi la ngojunior and nxa uqeda so possibilities ungakwazi ukulala ngine eBF right Cha emzilikazi ngizakutsho so lapha kuseBF kuyafana kabulele ngini awuyesaba ukuthi uqeda usinge bese sishayisana labo lights labo dayisi sikume
yabona manje laphana buwapi phela labana ngobhuda sibona
yeah
bakwazi lami ngisemsebenzini nje endlini kudliwa
natural
bese ngeze kuye
natural
and that feeling yabona imnandi ngathi uthi yabuvela ngale sesiphendukile ekhasi
nasabe sawuxole
vele into yabiza motivate ama-supporter lana kule because abe ngazi ukuthi amfana ukuthi sekuyi
natural
so lami umezemba prove nje
ezilayisi kule nto leyana manje yesikofu esikofu lekhipha isikofu inputazo ukuthi imagine susuke eBF usiyafika emzilikazi aje angikwazi ukuthi ngubike njani but lokanti vele sengikwazi ukuthi asiphele village manje uphuta sivele udayiza vele athi ngifuna inkamu ukuthi ezingu2 la jini yahlanya athi udini kahle
yabona sometimes vele kwalusekhaya nxa ngilapho mina ngizawuthi aswi asamithi ililanga la ngikhona nami
but si30 phela
kunjalo guys u30 paphana phela wona uyakwanisa ukunika njani tholofu
yes
then abanye zabathetha hayi zabona nesidingo
awugona ukufaza wese kani sikufaza muntu wese
awes
nesidingo yangikhona hayi aba nesidingo
yeah like as a growing up player I've seen you to wadlala Dimare from Dimare waya ku Singapore from Singapore
that is Singapore
it's a new team like
yeah new team
the Singapore nje uthomlolo bisho ngokungelela ama team amatsha iSingapore last season ibinja phela
last of last that
isingena lokuthatha
lapha izithatha yasikahlaliye ese 5 relegation
wasebethatha
then nesidingo kwasa sihamba thina
ngafika la lungisa ilizwe ngala la
shaba walungise
sihlezi the champion so lama championship mangaka
nje one year league and then one chibu
so nje ufana mzingazi junior awufisa udlalela lenda
udlalela lenda nya isifiso but it's not now
Alright.
Ngadlalela amajuni so that thing mfowethu ngabe kwahamba kuhle ngabe ngwayendazi ngabe yithi madlala ngabe yithi lokho idlala yabo
Thana ngihliziyo
manje kwazi
akuthi khona kana license nje uthi egazi nje mina ngithanda iGwanda Pirates ani support iGwanda hayi alukho akubalwa akula negotiation akulani of course iyayilenda ngwenkani ukethwa iyayilenda ngenkani uthi nizayile emakhokoba kumele nisupport iyayilenda and then iGwanda khona ibuya and then ngiyakujabulela ukuthi amagwanda amahle asuki la siyasutha la huzu hayi thibi yami ngehliziyo that's why kade ngibuza like ngiyakwazi ukuthi abantu abaningi babe ukuthi why do you prefer other teams just around the country other than iYilander yona lesegazi?
It's not preferring yabona indlela yabona la kwaphana isikhathi sangikhona maybe abantu bengakaboni ukuthi
uJulia isithakathi
yabo so bathi abe discover ona sihambe kwenye indawo
abazabe kufonela
hayi abakafuni
abakacabanga ukufona
maybe bazafona
azakhuluma lawo nyabaza abadala babo laba njengoba zenzo vele ngiyakwazi ngithembile likabesti moyo asilibonile esihlalweni umuntu omdala hayi siyakwazi lizolungisisa Mr Moyo official manager weHighlanders awuzenzo moyo kuhle ufikile yabekhangela abantu abajabo juniors easy access to national team into esizilungisayo siyalungisisa like hayi akubalwa nzima
so UP team this season uthi I can't wait to play against alabanye abafuna laba this year
first game against Scotland
liyabathanda bra sewaranda
nje akwazi enye vele endlini
Iyalinda so how does it feel playing with Highlanders every time?
To me, I'll be happy. I'll be very excited. I'll be like, I want to prove them that we're cars, but in things I'm not like cars. Go for the men like who. So then I was now with the cars. You have to prove them, bro.
So as we took Jan light, we just look at it. Uzobazwisa ubuhlungu nje uzofrustrate amachida akho nje imagine
yabona kokho uzubulungu asithi ngiyavuka bazwisa ubuhlungu
ama-sport
awupathi ngabe ngayidlala le into nje ngifuba nje that
ngabe ngayi alright I get this hayi ozulezwi uthi ngabe alright hayi ufuna ngesikole ecela sengisiye sengikhuluma ngayisiko kwangikhona
ngibani best friend yakho kale ku Premier Soccer League uthi alindi nikalami le noma kuthiwani
shout out to Kevin Hazan
Ndereki Antonana ngani yahlanya leya yiko vibe ani
umuntu friend yabona umuntu sharp lona yabona even lawo umuntu ongahlupani yabo even nxa sile vele ukwathi hayi vibe sakwanza ukuthi into sikume sike sithi umzimba ukuthi
ijwayelane kuSimba Bora
ayikho bathi mina ngaba mazivele sadlala kuyaphi
alright from yada
sasikhuluma phela
yena ungaphithisi
ukhona uSimba Bora
what does you channel uSamuel Eto'o channel Ronaldinho
manje wazi vele dala inhliziyo yakithi ngicabanga ukuthi
Parinazi ukuthi what's your biggest fear like ku seke football wesabani like
mina bona my biggest fear ngisakuqhamuka like in football
as why imbuza khona ku lights ngithi mina senjalo ulala lo lights from Simba Bora like yeah I'll share room lo lights
okay
ulala khaseseza service ake sindebele kule kulala wena hayi ulala ngitshela ukuthi uyabesenza right uyathini uyathini wena
sengijwayele ukutshona indlela
hayi ngithi nase siyalala andi nanti room na kumpethu wakho na kumpethu wami uyathini
athi mina sengilala akho indoda asilala mina sengilala
esibuzwa ukuthi kahle kahle no sense awutshela i-actor kanje hayi asikhohlwa
Le comedian engimkhohliwe.
uthi ulicomedian futhi so kade sithi like sesijayele ukushe room no light so how do you choose your next partner like akare singiyalala lo water next ngiyashare i-room lo DJ or someone
lokhona ngijabona kunjalo ukuthi vele bona nxa usebholeni kulabanye abantu ubona ukuthi maybe babe 5 ukuthi ubajwayele yabo into uzakuthi kulabanye ngabajwayelanga that much so ugaza nxa engeke awumeke ukuthi hayi lami ngidinga omunye ngifriendly la nje uhleka la yabo
right
because mina ngifuna ukuthola mba ngomsizo vele bholeni so ngifuna ukuthi le vibe yami ukuthi
uzafike yasebutwa uzakhithwa la
yabo subuyile room suphethe umkhosi wakho ngomsizo
Semfukulala.
hayi thina asilali ungalala ngelanga uvuke ngalo kulala kusasa wangifona yabo
ajojo lo bezingane bebebe unathe something bavumela utshwala ngoba
na
Kim. Ama-soccer player vele bathuna ba-criticize.
kuvumile lofana bona
hayi thina sililali vibe lo muntu osopa
hayi into yani segazi
Awujunile uhlanya
Yabo.
vele.
mina vele noma kalisi ungambona ndo babami yakwamuntu lo ngubhuti lo mnawo
anyanya wona
uze umuntu ohlale yebo
na
umuntu oyenjoya nje ufuna ukuthi hayi akujabulwe so lami kubona ngasho athathe character njalo
lo masalo ngiyabo le vibe le
imuli yonke vele kwakufika
ayintebeki ekwazi ukupheka
ubani mina ngikwazi ukuphika amaqanda
Basic.
kanye bizempekano okunye futhi
naye ngiyabuza because sometimes ngiyabona ukuthi itsotsi lezi lights andiyazindanye ngibulala ngebhavu yamasabunsi so ngiyavuka wazitshope ezinje vibe elineki lelane yakwazi ukusebenzisa yakwazi ukwenza influence phela uJulia
Creativity ibuya ngeziphi ezinye.
kwazi ukuthi hayi lamhla imempheka igcine ephekela abantu imbuzi fast
ubone yabulambile manje so ukuthi mana ngipheke uvupheka ukuthi wena ukudla awusacabangela abantu
Junior, what's your favorite? What was your favorite game?
my favorite game
Umbuzo lo right like sometimes that's skill. You go right.
you know my favorite game
Ukuthi iyakwazi ukuthi
game
Right.
engayithandi nayo
Yeah. It's really simple let's try.
no the problem is ndoda isikhiwa lesimini uthini kade
Bulala iskill.
yambona uthi yabona wena washo uthi mina my favorite game was Dynamos versus Islanders PF that game I enjoyed hello thank
yana phela 34 minutes.
yabona ungabona manje izwezi abantu bekazi bangene groundini yabona
Ngishona ukuthi ayobusubathuba abandimi.
yabusukwathi mina wamsebenze ngiqedile manje la zembabulele kazi vele itopic saza ukuthi
Ngibona ukuthi Junior.
makuni utshene njani labana wapasa vele alikuwa step sachinja sasa chance sana
Akani ngiyambona ungoze ephuma ePF baba. Ethola umuntu upase 3 befula amabhenda. Vele anya kufila bra. What was your worst game Junior? Kudala umdlalo Junior lamhla bakade bekhala ngaye. Kumba i-team yethu. Ngiyabhala especially kuwena. Kudala umuntu Junior haya. Alamda sithi Junior.
lapha yabona sometimes yabona ngoba iplayer vele ukuthi kule game lade ngiponda sala kuleza abantu laba batshela lapha buleza abantu
A1
athi ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngikwazi
azake lidlise mntaka.
kushisa uyadlisa but yakungadlisa ngokuthi bahlohlile phela upase phansi
Angithi game la Junior ukuthi uze dala ngidla 3 perform my best.
yeah you know it's last year
Simba pora le yaka.
because athole i-chance lapha zoli
Nje ethi mntaka.
siyagida ekhoneni khipha washo konke la ngifukwenza Bona noma la dressing room usithi. Abo 0-0 ngapho.
Onkumle kwasta lamhla
Uthi bora le. Fiwa manje la singavele iphele withdraw.
but amachita akwasepta o
Yabona bora emdala you have to accept and be there for your
teammates.
team. Because mina kasi singadlisa
Yeah.
ibhora le. Uchingi.
Next thing yikimi.
Next nguwo. Wena mawuzahlohlisa. Futhi nyabe yangenzani.
Eka Lukman lo Osimhen leyana wayibona.
So ibhora ni vele
Yeah.
and futhi yabona njalo ibhora. Yabona ungadinwa ngawe uli player wena ungadlisa. Asikuthi ukuchingela mina or ngene ukuphuma lawa. Nyabe njani? Nyabe nzonke. Balapha yazindini zemfufuzi. Yavuka yendoda la ukwini kanti yasidlisa.
Anye uthi indoda lawe nje.
Phela ngochase of the la.
Yeah.
So anyawubona.
So aso uchingilana ilanguage ebhola.
Kuze basudiniwe. So yabo ngapho ucabanga into endlini.
Ndothi Osimhen lo Lukman wababona.
Balwa.
Osimfukuyo.
Same
Same country.
badala same
Nigerian
badala like sorry yazi uthi ibhora sakhe.
wamele mpasi wayenza izitayela ibhora yaphuma lo anuthi kanti wangampasanga ehle yasuka khona
Yabo is there in football.
Yeah, ibabantu embafunayo lesitho babelweli ilizwe phela.
aphatha uzakuyizwa uthi wabugift lingathi babekuthethisa vele
Bese bebize ekhaya.
Aphozi na uchepe mina mepinzu endlini. Wanjengisa masathi enjoy kula mpuphu. So mina ngisadlala ngesaturday ngithi manje idinga lapha ngokunjani.
Yeah, futhi
So wena la ohlubu ubulalisi. Ngadinga imali una le vele ngakumuntu. Nahle ubize ekhaya.
abonjabulo ncube akubiza ekhaya
Bakubiza nje.
uTakamama
Chiki.
Yeah
Aphozi sidinga imali nje.
Alami ngiyakubisa. Alami ngisanga kubiza sizo.
sokule winning bonus
Che ngiyifuna ndoda. Hayi amelanga nje.
Yabo John ngela siseni.
but into lokuyana kokuhanti iviki yonke ngithi lapha ngikhuthisa abantu imali la
Doda.
I think le training babe ngawani.
acheke yabukhulu
Important you have to accept izinto. Wena sokungakudla ngoba abantu. And the same thing awudinga but ama-teammates awuthinja ekuphushe nje. Wasingani kake umphusha. Sasa futhi sasile game la. The same mistake.
alright
Apart impush so the experience.
Yeah.
So
Abasikuthembile.
you have to be there for each other nje. Ungarechwa lo mnyabe ngemva yafika ngibamba manje. No. Into khona nje.
So out of all the coaches abasuka sebenza nayo. Basebeke basebenza nayo. Umbuzo lo la trick light. Angisho ukuthi abajaja abejani. But nguphi coach ofeel like alungasebenza wangi-understand ngangimi-understand ngcono.
Coach Joel.
Luphas. Serious.
Yabona mina zingakhojwa ama-coach. But Coach Joel wangenza ngafeel like manje ubaba.
Yeah.
Yabona umuntu one-friend nje. Uyakuphusha kodwa ukuthi kanti sebenza nje ufuna imali. Sebenza yabo ndoda. Yabo? And even the player yakwazi ukutshela azwana. Wathola ibhola elimchawula nje.
Policy.
Yabo lavile yakuzokwazi. Police ngimvume njalo. Yabo? Sometimes I'm thinking ucoach Joel uyakuphusha yena vele. Yabo?
Yeah, so much.
So umuntu ongunderstand la yakuzwisisa ukuthi ngifuna mina.
Isithakathi uyakwanisa uku-explore ibhomba lami liyakwazi ukuyadukela phambili. Yeah.
Yakufaka lezi lamanye position ongacongi. Futhi uhlohla futhi. Yabo? Njenga last time mina phela mina ngidefensive midfield. But last time awukunthola igate ngizengihlohlo. Yabo? Sekirova ukuthi coach ukunika imvumo coach ukuthi
Namhla
namhlanje ndoda sinazithembele wena. Lindawo ungabona ukuthi uyi-trust njalo hayi ungezanga wena.
so explore.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Yaphana sokumize umsho ukuthi I didn't appreciate.
So before I finish the episode, there's a new game that we are starting today. Like so ladies and gentlemen, this is special and let's hope it's going to be nice and wonderful. Julia, who is your favorite artist? Kasle to Mzilikazi Makukoba, Ngubo Yenja itonku. Ungaphela kuja kuna Mzilikazi Makukoba. La eBaba Fields, yes. Yeah. Ngasite lokishini siqalisela ngale kwebridge and ibridge le lesochanga ngisedlanga selokishini until kuBatch Street. Yeah.
Myself.
You're the favorite artist. Kawe rumba.
I just love you.
Bala. So hayi bala. Ngiyakwazi ngose porela bokujulia makhonke. Ngosuyidesa yabo. Ngaloko kujulia.
Hayi abusukujuju.
Yeah. That's chuchu. Ajuju. Ayokuthi hayi. Kade zakuqithe senze. Ngomphendula umbuzo wami.
Mina my favorite artist the Cars. Abo evi lobuto akodi awazi ngapha status. Ngapha ingoma yakhe imthe. Lights wakobulawa.
Hayi ngicathi ukhona.
Hayi.
Ricky.
Ndoda akuthi intwa inqathunga. Mina vele le video yami ngihlala. Ubuya la. Dalo umuntu.
Alright, what is Kipulate?
Hayi sikakhipa lights.
Ayini.
Lights mana nje kade ihlabela nje.
Udakwa umtoriro. Udakwa umtoriro. Funi collaborate.
Yabuya.
Lights sikali collab.
Lonke phela le.
Yo. Makunikelo lights okubulawa. Yeah. Ayabuya. Amapiano. Afakani rumba. Rakatakata kwezethu member phela akwanisi ngisho.
Abona artist. Mezu melele.
Chekule artist, chekule confidence la artist.
So manje uzalontsha nini career yakho yesikhathini?
Sumso.
Abathaza ukuthathela nje. Ngani ngakuphela ari career artist ke. Asawukhanja.
Ngikashadile.
Wethani.
Ngijabulisa abantu bonke
Just uPenny McCarthy wahlabela le TKZ eziyadlala World Cup eFrance.
Yeah.
Wahlabela. Abedlala uPenny McCarthy wahlabela.
Why iline yakho ithi light?
Bafana. Aleka fish and chips.
Wahlabela. Featuring Benny.
Upenny McCarthy.
Hayi Junior hayi sabuncane. Hayi abona musafuni asante mo. Alethu ngasithathe.
Lani ngoma khona kunale.
Junior asante mo. Phela kuze kube khona eZimbabwe khona.
One.
That is which one is Ngozi one twice. Flying manje. Which means for uNgozi wayihlabela wazi?
Le ngoma.
Madoda.
Hayi ajika inkomo.
Which one is Ngozi?
Ubani artist.
Isipantula enangibhuda sicoba nje. Wayihlabela yachala egroup ipi kanje? So they go boys benithwani. Hayi lo ngufrazi.
Ngiyohlabela la beningu.
Nabe qinile ukudala. Uchinga nje kuyachaya ikwazi.
Abukitika. Hayi
uchizo wayephuma ku TV ehlabela. Angitshela imanga.
Phela zilights into ezinjasihluphi. Uchisa sakwasuba la sakwasumbuza.
Sizansi some interview ankethe.
Hayi sakwasumdinga umdala.
Wahlabela uchizo. Uphuma ku TV sibili nje mina ngiyakhumbula.
But I just feel like it's a good form of art to do football with the arts. Yabona music. Lapha I think whoever did that awayibhoza. Imagine wonke ama-fans kaChisa mina udu with uyamali.
Jeki isoccer vele is an art nje.
Junior, something to say to the young ones. Abantwana bakhulayo bethi uJunior wasishela elizwi elithi bafana bami khulani kumbe bafana bami lithini. I know you grew up in Mzilikazi Makhokhoba. Baningi vini kathi singangikhuluma so siphuma after this podcast vele babe kudinga malime Junior what so what do you have to say to them even ababukeleyo?
Mina yabona what I want to say nje ubafana kancane. Live in yourself.
Yeah.
Just work hard. Yabo?
Yeah.
Sebenza nje ulalela abadala endlini. madragula asebenza ama-drugs hayi
ya phansi ngama-drugs step phansi ngama-drugs phansi ngama-drugs hayi lokhu siyaphinde batshele futhi junior
phansi ngani
ngama-drugs phansi ngomtoriro majensi hayi
ikambucha ke
asi-drug
ibikile kayibhiya
i-drink ikuthiwa
but ikambucha bayi-advertise njengebhiya nje
kuthiwa i-kombucha drink
ikambucha drink alright
amaplay amaningi anathi ikambucha I think wonke amaplay
but I think it's a good drink it's a good herbal drink aliphumi sathi hayi akhuleka membami aliphumi nje
but to all get your youth emergency cha ndisebenze nzima and just believe in yourself never know what comes tomorrow
yeah
yabona
true
into ongayaziyo vele ibhola linjalo singaqasa ukumbona namuhla ngithatha namethaveni but you never know what comes in 2 years or in 1 year uyazudlala lami esayidini wami
yeah true
yabo lawo yabusuyimodeli yomunye umuntu wena role model kalo
nah
feeling imnandi phela mdala ukuthi
so much bro
makunike
yeah ngiyachaza nje ukuthi every time ngoba la kulezinto sokulama do's and don'ts ukuthi ngayizwa so abantwana bazambona so bangayizwa so abantwana bazambona so I think kulezi izinto yabuzithanda la ukuzenza but because now so you are a role model so kunzima ukuthi uphonge ukuziyenza
navele kubona abantwana abafana abancane bekholisa nje behlangana because akubona utshana lawo kasi lami vele kwenza ubhola yabo noma kasi udlala ibhola futhi bedlala bafana labo kasi ubajoyi sezitshayela la yabo bafana ukaba easy for them to talk to me
yeah
uthatshini ngiqiso wezona ngaba iphela la ukuthi role model to catch youth but simaka ufuna ukukhuma labafana bafunda ngisasa ko nothing
nje yazi lights ngiyakhumbula trust CBF uqeda ibhoso mbeleni team kwazitambe kulozibani baningi ngitagethile lekanti inca imatch iphela selingemuva lapha kuma dressing room ibhora seliphelile wonke umuntu sephumile sumele bana ngithongo bana ngithongo
emvelo
ngicela socks bra I think ngambuyela amnanya kwazi ngaphi socks ngipipi ende ngangithe athi i-racer liyeqeda ama-socks ndingangizimaka ngalo vele la number 8
vele akuzizwe
athi ngichayeke socks ngamember wami weseli Highland racer I think I could feel that nje liyabanika like kulesikhathi sokuthi
nyabanika yabona ama-socks ama-short ami yabo because mina khathesa ngiyini i-short ebhora mina i-team yazo angilayo
junior that's the
ama-socks no angiyazi that's dangerous ngikubona nika abafana
that's why am I saying that's dangerous in a way asikafiki ini level athi loku profile into zethu ukuthi out of maybe ama t-shirt ayi10 awe chicken ababeniyo ngithethe i1 ngifake wardrobe yami ngiyipheke lapha
so uthi ngifake short
abasiniki izikipa
ngifake short
ora seliqedile ukukhuluma hayi sebeqedile ukukhuluma la isinqozuluzwile phela
mina ngithe yama-short nyabanika abafana ngathi
izikipa zikhona
ama-short anje abafaka abadlala ibhola so vele
izikipa zikhona
yabukholisa bonke lapha go 8
akukhuluma njalo junior nje simbangani izikipa basala lazo
izikipa emingilazo kodwa basala njani anje izikipa ezami
asikasefuna ukuvumoka yazi why yazi sengifuna ukuvumoka why like akule nto yibona ku social media hayi khona phela kwenzi phela nje wena nxasise Europe wena kade nxa ufike trust sign lights out okubulawayo kale first training kit bele ibhale skipa sikaba ibizulu kaba kale ndlela njani ntrena njani neskipa sibhale marapa mina
hayi let me tell you something
iteam enkulu kayilungisa it's not about you sorry it's not about you but
let me defend my fellow friends no that thing ikhopha wathi ama-sponsor phela khathesi wena sungathanda igwesi iphepha emakunika uyatrain but that thing maybe into lezana zikakubi ezintsha yabo so sesivele sifele la ukuthi into libe zisebenza yabo ngikubona kuchiyene eAfrica la nga
uthini maraba nje
maybe babe easy
To me, that's a big worry. Like,
Asiya-
we are not even prepared. It's not your fault.
Asiya-
When I forget dressing room, if you ever come out, go spell lights out. To you, maybe.
nawe uzaqoka because yabukwazi nje ukuthi team ayikabi lezinto
I'm not about Africa. You've been going to Saba food.
usaba
I'm going to go like say jersey yakhe.
Moria.
Ndoda use Africa bra.
phela wena la nxa uphuma ingina naphela sikuthi nxa uphuma ngihamba uphuma ngujunior phela safika la la uphuma ubujije uphuma uqinile wadala lapha ngempini ngiyadingela abantwana ezindleleni
Yeah.
kuzo naphuma kuphuma la uzothola ujunior 8 months azayidlala ibhola
Yeah.
yenziwa yikuyini
Yeah.
uma ngawuthi ngene ground nyawo yabo so lawo nje you have to pray for umfaka uNkulunkulu
Let's ngitshelele ngathi izolo vele kade ngitshe yazi ukuthi lamhla into esizikhuluma ngathi kade ngitshela izolo. Umuthi ukhona lights. Ya kade ngimtshela hayi izolo kade ngimtshela umuthi ukhona. Ebhoreni umuthi ukhona. Chaye ebhoreni akula muthi hey wathi ukhona baba. Ukhona vele kade ngimtshela ngegame imali hayi nyalo lokho ngiphinda. Kade ngimtshela ngegame imali.
Ndothi indaba iNigeria ingathathi World Cup.
Hapunta kuloje. Umuthi yachiyana. Umuthi yachiyana.
Nigeria ikhona umuthi.
Abuthi ukhona. So Junior is saying to you guys, some young ones, work hard, like ungalali. Zithembe akazange athi uhambe edinguthi hayi. Kazange athi njalo uthe uzitrainile kuhle kuhle ifake utrainer ifake player.
Sometimes uthanda put God first.
Yeah. So
sengakwazi ukuthola nje labantu ngenza. But I want to pray at the same time is the best.
yeah. Asithandazeni ama players abantu abatsha. uNkulunkulu nguyedwa okwazi ukwenza kube lula eqinisweni.
Yeah. Sina ungahambe church yabona.
Yeah.
But ukuthanda. Kwaphana la you be talking with God.
Are you friends with Chine Chikhatebe?
Yeah, I'm good as.
Serious.
Good as kuma life on yabo. That thing feel also the numbers of my big players.
Like xoxa nje
Umchange waseqoqa lokudaza nje kafana sebenza mfana umuntu uphenduke lapha yenza so train hard mfana yabo discipline wise uzafika lapha ngikho.
I'll refer to Chine Chikhatebe eKasi because he is one of the biggest so far.
Yeah.
Ingazimbi ngiqamamanga la ukhona maybe angisho nyaba compare but amangama Chiremerera. So angazi what can you say to young people that Manero Jig wamfaka 1 to 3 like and you help me here and there.
Mina wona put as Manero my first year national team.
Yeah.
Wangumotivate mina. Because wayekhona.
Hey lucky enough to workers.
Workers wena.
Yeah.
Sebenza nzima. Because I remember the other game esadlala leKenya. Akanti umuntu.
Yeah.
But yena waba ngumuntu wathatha ikhadi lana mina wamenzendini.
Serious.
Yabo. And even ama-stars yani. Uzimphutaze wameza ucela into nxa ungela.
Pick up to yourself Menero. Yeah, we very you doing a lot shit doing it.
Yeah, kunjalo si.
So taking Junior to the world. Ungadlala iphi team?
Nga.
Europe.
I mean, I am in Manchester City.
Wena. Manchester achayazi ukuthi nje Manchester is ready. Like karwaya abantu benga understand nje.
Official winner.
Wena zofune nje.
Hayi laba
ngisupportala.
Che nyama ngifuna ukusupport umfana imagine Junior idlala Manchester United.
Imagine idlala City ubani wayehlule kuyisupport.
Ngiqaki vele.
Sorry before sivala nje kusemqandweni. Kulapho le snow khona. Khositsheli. Awufa.
Amqandweni.
Sina sawomsipa ayisifuna iscoop.
Qadini kaqadi. Wona indaba leyazo kubo kude but
Ngiyaqanda. Uthi siyayithi ba. Sithi qa, sithi ja.
Yaqanda vele.
Ngiyaqanda emqandweni.
Uyakuthi ugudumala hayi ukhoyisho
Jackie, you have moved from Simbapora to Yaro. What's the feeling? To you, yazi kade ngiyafuna ukukhuluma ngakho la ukuthi utsho umuntu once iqalisa unce siyadlala i-team udlalela ama-team aqalisayo like and they're achieving for the championship. So now you're moving from Harare to Kwekwe. How's it? How's the feeling?
The feeling is good. They even welcomed me
In a nice way.
in a nice way. They were friendly to me. And just just work hard, achieve it. Look.
Coach, you had to combine lights. Ndirai.
Kayindu.
Okay, says it on Ndirai. Fala kan Ndirai. Aba lo coach Ndirai. Yeah, Kayindu is a good guy, I know. I believe in Kayindu. So it's a new home now. They had to rock.
New friends, new teammates, new team.
Ngihle ngabona nje ukuthona ihle wangena i-disaster nje kumfana nami ngihle ngabona amfana nami nje setshona ngena ku TikTok setshona nje ngishongo oshaba so zamfaka umfana mbe athi kuthoni kade siyaba le TikTok la itsakazi ukhipha vele avele ngiyambona vele segida la every day.
Big shout out to Tony. La mathini
che well done to Tony. Well done Tony to zikhipha
Namuzokhanti ghetto salimela.
Nakakhulu manje. We are really working hard for this community like last time sizwa sizikhukhumeza yabona ukuthi having people like you. I think ngesikhathi sakudala Peter Ndlovu angikhona. Yeah. Ibo Madinda labo. Tshonga ubani lights. Utsho ukukhuluma ngaba abadala.
Mercedes Rambo.
I'm not going to say that the Mercedes Rambo Sibanda. Baba. Bayidlala ngaphi? I-position defend.
Right back.
Nice.
Awuqinile wagijima.
Ayishayibora nje. You know like yeah. Remember kama idols eTamadala like from the past before ngathi from Zimbabwe. Mbalo ngamkhayilela ukuthi hayi umdala ngathi ngiqalisa ukubona ibhora.
Saqamba uJohn Isingozi futhi.
Siqede. Awuthi ngijadufana.
Lights yazana.
Anje yabona
Number 18. J18. So lakho kade ngiqinisa ukuthi so lame.
Yabona kokwazi abadala lawana.
What did you like about John?
Singazenza.
Abakunganani kodwa yena.
Zwana phela manje. Manje into evuyikhulu. So singabukelanga.
Akambukelanga.
But that's why is now the internet. Nomdala kwazi ubaba mnokwazi.
But I'm sure akula videos amaningi akangozi wawubukelayo. But you have the idea yokuthi wayedlala njani.
Even mina owangikhala blessing yokho. Rest in peace wherever you are. I will just blessing Makuniki.
Wayedlalelani?
Uma blessing Makuniki.
Ache ngikho njalo la itsawu. Yoko nyamazi.
Muy blessing Makuniki.
Into emotivateayo ukuthi la wadla ibhora cheese for club school.
Now rest in peace yoko like for yeah.
So mina have to take his phone sometimes 5 when
Yeah.
So into lana nami motivate. Abosiza futhi ngibona itejala zibona. Ayijova. So. Yabo silangokwana
the
ke
Lakers.
because what is from the timing ngizalo 2004. Yabo.
Sisikhathi uJohn Isingozi ayechisa khona.
Hayi so wena kahle nguyoko. Because to leave the Lakers nguyoko. You are proving to the people that Yoko still alive. That spirit just cheer and Yoko. Che, matches ibizwe lakhe licha uliniko yimi uyoko. Ansa kubizi Makuniki mbe junior bejanjani.
Utshela beyadro ukuthi bambize yoko.
Yoko awe yadro kubele bese
akunje. Kanti nama support. Tshela bangawumbiza ngesibongo. Awulazi ibizo lami moro umbiza ngesibongo asisenginyanga.
So manje nile sethi trend.
Senta usikhethele ukuthi
Why? Ama players hoto yayilenda ale iskipa ezibhala amabizo abo.
yabo Reyo.
The rest babe bhale Makuniki. Isiphi iskipa sakhe esibhale junior.
Ezami.
Hayisibi njele siwali vile national team vile sanga.
esesikole ngazibhala
So expect mina ngubize makuniki ithiwa junior sikubiza ngalapha emshanga wena moya wena ungasitshayeli ukuthiwa kubani
That's very cool.
siyabalonga basoke sekwazi ukuchipha
umuzwani inyanga nje umbiza njalo
andazikhethele njengamapholisa ama-civil servants phela ipholisa ukuzwa kuthiwa constable lights constable moya obise i-charges banda
labana ke abezithi kazijake bathi emahopho kalabizwa
Ayana isithi police iko ubhaliwe.
acheyela ithi ingasingavala tshuni into
indawo zithi mahopho ke
Page ibhalwe Bulawayo City.
umbizelani mahopho ke
Metro. Metro police.
alright sharp i-nickname yakho mbani ke abakubiza ngaye even eSimbabwe
ngujuju
ngujuju like ijuju lana bakuthembe wena
Moria.
imiso ingozi kuzothiwa juju
Yena ungazikujuju.
uyijuju
Ngejuju.
ladies and gentlemen uDiamond ulembuzo eminingi and uJunior is a lot to answer. The episode is good and it's going very very cool. Lights wakubulawayo in the house. Yebo. Mina nginguDiamond, my name is Newman Sinte. Ngihamba lo mfana zibize nje.
mina igama lami Junior Makuniki ngibilo ke president wa2K
Kama fumu
president bamazi vele akudingi
president wama 2000
and futhi yabona angisathanda uzintroduce
Lights i-challenge yami ngisayenzanga ke. What's your favorite song Lights Out? Since Theo Lights Out
ubuya la udawumtoriro uzete kukamela zenziro
Remember what Junior said, stay away from mama drugs, machenza ami. Sithi no to drugs, no to injengu, no to whatever usenza ukuthi siphambanise empilweni yethu. Keep up your career, stay strong, stay fit. Remember, we welcoming the Women's Month. Lights Out is Valentine's month, so probably we're promising you a female guest anytime soon. Yeah, obviously ngamele lami sikhuluma into zokuthanda thandana abantu bebekwazi ngothando. Junior, say something, some last words. So
guys, what I can say to you, lonke izabuyela lokubeleyo lelingalanga agents phela inzima le angisebenze nzima guys
yeah,
ezimpilo
sure,
yabo andike zemthini ungakhohlwa lapho vela khona
yeah, true.
phela ukuthi uphumelele kokhona danko Exciting once again. My name is Newman Trinidad and I'm your host, the Lokshin Podcast. Let's walk over Bulawayo. Marapa, our guest. Oh, my device. Sholiche. As always, pick up to yourself, guys. Remember, it's Valentine's month. Kunenimali check abantwana besifazana sibathi stay sharp. Yeah. Siko Melissa anytime. So Melissa, next time missing out.